Isotopes. This is today's lesson. Let us see the matter in detail. Isotopes. First of all, let us try to know atomic number and mass number. Atomic number, mass number. Let us consider this is nucleus of an atom that contains particles, protons and neutrons. This is energy level, energy level, energy level. Electrons circle the nucleus along the energy levels. Nucleus that contains protons and neutrons. Suppose this is an atom of aluminium, then number of protons 13 and number of neutrons 14. We know a neutral atom contains equal number of protons and electrons. So this atom contains 13 electrons. This number of protons is known as atomic number. Number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is atomic number. Here we see 27 total number of protons and neutrons. This 27 is called mass number, which is also called nucleon number. This is also known as number of nucleons. Number of nucleons, total number of protons and neutrons is known as mass number, which is also called nucleon number. This is also known as number of nucleons. Number of protons, atomic number, and total number of protons and neutrons, nucleon number or mass number. Here aluminium. This is, let us consider baseline. Atomic number is written under the baseline. On the lower left corner of the symbol of the element, and mass number is written above the baseline on the upper left corner of the symbol of the element. Mass number, atomic number. Atomic number is written on the lower left corner of the symbol of the element, and mass number is written on the upper left corner of the symbol of the element above the baseline. Mass number above the baseline, atomic number below the baseline. Atomic number and mass number. Isotopes. This is symbol of hydrogen element. Hydrogen. Atomic number 1, mass number 1. This is also present. Atomic number 1, mass number 2. Atomic number 1, mass number 3. These are the isotopes of each other. this is isotope of this is isotope of this. That is, these atoms are isotopes of each other, or we can say these are isotopes of hydrogen element. Its name is hydrogen or protium. This is deuterium. And this is tritium. Tritium is denoted by T, deuterium is denoted by D, protium is denoted by hydrogen. Natural abundance, this is 99.99%, this is 0.04%, and this is radioactive isotope. Isotopes of hydrogen. Definition: atoms of same element having same number of proton but different number of neutrons. Here neutron 0, neutron 1, neutron 2. So atoms of an element having same number of protons but different neutron numbers, those are called isotopes of each other, or these are isotopes of hydrogen. Again, carbon, symbol of carbon, isotopes 612, 613, 614. Atoms of an element having same number of protons but different neutron numbers. Here 6, 7, 8. So these are isotopes of carbon. Again, oxygen, isotopes are 8, 16, 8, 17, 8, 18. Number of neutrons 8, 9, here 10. So atoms of an element having same number of protons but number of neutrons different, those are isotopes of oxygen. Again, aluminium, 13, 26, 13, 27, 13, 28. These are the isotopes of aluminium, or we can say that these are isotopes of each other, in which atomic number same but number of neutrons different. Here 14 and here 15. Atoms of an element having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes of each other. Isotopes. Thank you for watching.